Part 2, baby. Can't wait. Yeah, we'll leave it at that.
Is she?
Are you tightening it?
Am I?
Oh no, I'm loosening it. We're good.
So, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I always wear ankle socks. But I wanted to fucking match the boys today. Hmm?
Yo, I don't want to match the boys. Look at this shit. Fucking white.
What the fuck? Yo!
Fucking shit up. Point is Clint's fucking fork.
Yep, sure am.
Being an idiot.
Why don't we just drive up them? Why are we doing it this way?
Sir,
Well,
what's going on the fucking Lexus?
Well, so I bought a cover for this, and I bought a cover for this, which is gonna look really nice.
Why do you need me?
But that
Now you
is.
see me. Now
Oh.
you don't.
Oh!
Now you see me. John Cena.
Sheesh! I mean, it's a little messed up.
I mean, it's
No, it actually looked way worse in the picture, honestly.
110%. I mean, discount's a discount, right?
Yeah.
Fucking
I mean, there's a slight imperfection there, but not too bad.
Here too, there's one movie.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It still looks fucking really, really nice. I just hope it fits. It should line up. Woo!
I'm done.
Alright, so fun fact, these, they kind of just fucking 3M on. I thought they were direct replacements, but they're not. This is a direct replacement, which is gonna look really nice. But these kind of just 3M, and they just go on there, and they look fucking really nice. I'm excited.
For the win. Hellhorn's getting beat up.
Nah, dude, she's hella fucking good.
She's like
She's hella fresh.
hella spray paint job.
Nope.
It's up to you. You want to 3M tape them on, or you want to test fit this, John?
I mean, we could test fit that. Oh my god, that's gonna look fucking so good. What? Come on.
Tell Roger to bring the drum.
Come on. Don't. It's gonna, what does that mean? Come on.
Roger, bring the drum. Launch your hood and shit.
What the fuck is that smell, dude?
Oh my god, Clinton. Holy shit. Don't go over there, bro. Oh my god.
The fuck's...
Fucking Popeyes.
Alright, so this is a mock-up. Cooling plate, ECU cover, fuse cover, RR Racing engine cover. Fucking gonna be full carbon before you fucking know it. I mean, it needs to be cleaned up, but it looks really fucking nice. Does it look nice?
Yes.
Alright. That's all that matters to me. I didn't realize he already took off his fucking bumper. Jesus. What's going on in here?
Steve's just being super gay.
What's going on? What's going on in here? What's going on? I can't see. I can't see.
Right here.
Oh yeah, flashlight for my daddies. How's it going, Bob?
This sensor's pissing me off.
What is
This little wire here.
this
Can't
little
get it
wire
out.
of mine?
Hold on.
I'm gonna make it shine, make it shine, make it shine. We're gonna play a game. Is he listening to 50 Cent? No, Eminem. Fuck, I was so close. Church is laughing because I fucking just 3M'd the fuck out of these things. And then he goes, how are you gonna get it out? And I'm like, what the fuck you mean to get it out? And then I didn't realize that it covers the clips. So now the fucking thing is 3M'd on there. I'm never getting to that
Yo,
fuse
Hot
box.
Boy shit. Hot Boy shit
I'm
24.
never getting to that fuse box again. Is it done yet? boys and girls. The final touch. Boom. I figured, you know, everybody likes to stare at carbon fiber at shows. So people walk over, they go, oh shit. And they go, huh? Bitch, I'm fucking carbon on carbon on carbon right now. What the fuck is? Oh shit, there ain't no more money to fucking go around. I'm poor. I'll give you guys an update on the intercooler. It's
I got an idea.
still in the box. And Bob has an idea.
I got an idea.
What's the
A
idea?
little bit, if I can get in there. And then that'll give me something to fucking hold.
I'll give you something to hold. EJ, whip your dick out.
Or you can break that fucker out.
I mean, dude, it's practically the same fucking thing. Back at fucking Churchland,
Hey.
he got some new stickers that he wants to put on.
This is one big sticker.
Oh, it's one big sticker? Oh, that's nice. Little uniform. Nightmon Media? Yeah. That's us.
Fucking mosquitoes.
Nah, dude, Nightmon Media is not mosquitoes.
Yeah.
This is why you should always get a garage TV. While everybody's watching TV, one person working. Working on a car with Bob, putting on an intercooler, and everybody else is watching TV. And there's Church. So we had to call Big Guns, aka Roger. And his suggestion was what?
To basically just break it.
Break it. All right.
That can't get used.
Yes, it can. Well, I don't know.
Time to take this video.
Is it coming out? What do you mean?
There you go.
Rob's here. Is it coming?
My flathead.
You do have a flathead.
I think it's held on by a clip up here.
You're a clip.
The map sensor. I wish this thing was heavier so at least if it fell, it killed me.
I got an intercooler that goes whoop whoop.
Oh, I thought you were gonna make a dick out of it again. Church got gummy bears.
I got gummy bears.
We're playing footsies. Love it. I know you guys like these up and close shots. So
What the fuck?
there's that hole.
Rocks hold me.
Roger's hole.
What worked? It actually just broke off it.
The fuck is that? You got the fucking saw out? Look.
Ready to cut that bitch.
Nice. What are you doing? What's the matter?
I'm just bitching.
What are you bitching about?
You see the sensor in the hole.
You bitching about this? Not fitting?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You just got the.
It's not bolt on, dog. Come.
Is it gonna fit?
Maybe a little too big.
Never heard that before.
Where do you keep these at?
That definitely not me.
Did it work?
Of course it works, bro.
We fucking mod
I
shop
fucking
now? Where dreams come true. We fix shit on the fly. Bob, how's this going?
We're almost in.
We're almost in. No, why do you look so sad? You're getting an intercooler. Aww.
I guess it doesn't matter, Bob.
It's finally going in. It's not midnight or anything.
The hook's at the top.
Bob's now happy.
Because before it was touching the...
How's the holes lining up to that bottom score?
That's what I'm under here.
Right now it's going to...
Like you straight up broke it?
You straight up broke it. How big is the washer? Like, not big as in like... Why do you need a bullet in your head?
Because I did this shit once. I won't fucking do it again.
Now you're doing it again.
Yeah, me and Sam weren't touching tips right now.
Are you? Oh!
Where's that fucking magnet?
Where's that magnet, bitch?
You're so fucking useless.
Not my car.
Holy shit.
What the fuck was that?
I'm never working on another car again.
What do you mean you love working
I said that last time.
I ended up doing it for a little.
You love working on cars.
You want to skedaddle? I want to tighten that up.
You know me?
Yeah, dude.
Church. You fucking alright, mate?
He's dead.
Church, you dead over there? Nice.
Suck his dick.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna record it.
For what? You getting fucked?
Everybody's still working hard.
Yep.
Getting this intercooler on for Bobby. Church is working hard
I already worked hard.
on TikTok. Are we almost done? We almost done?
Put it together.
You guys want to see an Easter egg? Check this out, right?
Right here. Yeah, it's coming from the top.
So she's installed, but now we got to do a little test run. So we're putting the headlights back in because now it's fucking nighttime. So we're gonna give it a little drive skis. I mean, yeah, I was gonna say there's got to be a way. Drop it. Is that? Nope.
Feel the other one.
Slightest, but it's not.
I think it'll seal itself.
Yeah.
Check engine line right.
It's also 11 o'clock at night, so we decided not to go for a test drive. Oh, you were gonna drive behind him? Oh my Chrysler.
I want to let you guys know that in this driveway, zip tie certified.
It's true.
Comes free, it'll only dangle instead of drop on the ground.
That's pretty cool.
But it's solid.
Yeah, they ain't going anywhere. That's nice.
So,
I'll buy this off you.
so on, right?
Okay.
And now it's on, so right now it's not on selfie, but you'll turn it, and now
Oh, does it follow me?
it can. So,
Oh, I almost fucking fell.
alright, now it's on you.
Oh,
So now you
bitch.
can like move and it'll follow you.
Oh shit, it's like the fucking Mona Lisa, bitch.
But then, hold on.
Oh shit. We following you too, bitch. Look, we up here now. Oh fuck, bitch. Now we down here. You lost me. I didn't lose you, bitch. Did you follow me? Did you follow me? Did you follow me?
And you can go back a considerable amount.
How much amount? How much? How much? Am I gonna trip? How much? You're good, bitch.
Yours had every single wire and every connector wired separately.
What?
Because I remember having a plug here for yours, here for yours, there for yours.
Every light, every fucking.
No shot,
It's
bro.
one. One
Yeah, that's
straight
crazy.
across. Is there a Churchill?
What?
The Churchill.
You're on my car for the rest of its existence.
What?
I put a little Easter egg on there.
Hey,
I love
is
it.
this normal?
Yeah.
That's a bumper.
That's wait. When did that happen?
That just clicked in fucking real nice.
that just clicked.
I want a credit card fucking Sanborn so hard.
Do it.
There's not a shot.
Excuse me? What?
Come
What? Is everybody just...
We're getting freaky.
I wish I was this focused right now. Damn.